What's going on, guys? FA2 Big here. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing the first modification on the E46 Compact. So the first modification I'm actually doing is installing this. So what this is a Bluetooth receiver. So what I'll be able to do is stream my music via Bluetooth and make calls as well, and well, make and take calls. So because I've obviously got the F32, I'm just used to, you know, just streaming my music just normally like anyone else would, but obviously this car doesn't have that facility. So as you can see here, all it's got is the radio, CD player, and well, FM and AM radio, and that's literally it. But yeah, I need to play my own tunes in the car. So what I'm going to be doing, as I said, is installing this. So in the package you get this. So this obviously snaps onto the quad lock. It's an adapter. That's the Bluetooth receiver, and let me get it. This little piece here, if it focuses, there you go. Yeah, this little piece is for the microphone, so I'll be able to take calls. So what I'm going to need to do, let me just quickly show you the microphone as well. That's it there, so nothing too fancy. So yeah, what I need to do is take the trim pieces off. So just this one and this one, and then I'll be able to access just the radio unit. So it's just going to be this portion that I'll be taking out and not the climate control bit. So to actually take this off, as I said, you just need like a normal trim piece tool, and then just start prying away. You'll just hear those coming out. It's hard doing this with one hand. Yeah, let me just get into the grooves. There you go. Just pop it off as you go along. But you know what? You don't even need to pop it off all the way. So you can just do that. Because when I did go behind here before, it was just a simple case of doing that. So see, yeah, and that just comes off anyway. So I don't need to take that off. But so yeah, that reveals that. So what you'll then need to do is undo the radio unit itself. So it's just a Phillips there and a Phillips there, and then we'll be able to pull that out. So I'm just gonna undo that now. So as you've just seen, I've pulled that out. So to unlatch this harness, what you need to do is pull up. So hard doing this with one hand. Pull all the way up, and you'll be able to have a look here. So you need, just trying to get the right angle on this. So yeah, those little dots there, those little circles, sorry, and they need to hit the top. So I'm just going to pull it up now. Let me just put the camera down to one side. There we go. So yeah, I've just done that now. That just slotted out. So what you're going to then need to do is get your quad lock. So this piece will snap into this end, and then this piece will go into there. So I need to do this off camera, as this is definitely a two-hand job, and I'll come back once it's been put in. Yes, so finally snap that in. So as you can see, the main harness is in place. Can't really grab that out. Well, yeah, I can. Yeah, so that's in place there, and that's snapped in, and then this is snapped in as well. Make sure that this piece here, not my fingers touching, make sure that's in securely. So make sure it's all the way in, or else this Bluetooth function won't work at all. Because what will happen is, when you put it on, as you can see, let me just rest it on my knee. Yeah, as you can see, it says aux there, and then there's a mode button there. Obviously the steering wheel's blocking it, but let me just turn this down. So yeah, if I press the mode button, like I have done, it says FM, and I go to magazine, and then disc, and then if you press it once more, it will then say aux. I've already got my phone connected to it, so I'll just quickly show you guys exactly what it's like. So just turn that up. As you can see, that's me playing music off my phone. Just change the track again and again. So yeah, as you can see, that audio system is working perfectly fine. So now, let me just quickly pause this. So yeah, now what I'm going to need to do is push this back in and put the microphone in. So before I push it back in, I'll put the microphone in. What I'm going to do is make it come out of where the trim piece is. So the end of the trim piece. I'm just going to stick it here, so like here or potentially here, just so it's not like in the way of anything. I just want to keep the clean look of this car. That's why I was gonna go over Android system, but realistically all I'm gonna be doing is, you know, playing my music, and you know, if someone wants to call me, I can obviously answer the phone hands-free as well. So yeah, just gonna obviously get this all put back together, put the microphone in as well, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So finally put that back together now. I had an absolute nightmare with it. What it was is, because this car is so small behind, so it's not like the F32 where there's tons of room. There's literally hardly any space at all here. So what I had to do is, I'll quickly show you guys. So I've had to take out the air vents. There was a screw here and a screw here, and then you obviously just pull them out. Now, in terms of the issue, when I removed the air vent, I could see like everything, and I could kind of move the adapter back as far as I could. Obviously, once that was put back, I was able to put this back into place. So everything's working now. I've routed the microphone as well, so that is just sticking out there, as you can see, just there. That's where the trim tool ends. Sorry, the trim piece ends, and that's securely in place with the microphone just there. So let me just quickly show you. So I'll press mode. Just turn that down. Sorry. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm on the radio. And you press mode, it goes to no disc, and then straight to aux. So be able to turn it up now. Play something quickly. As you can see, that's legit just playing off my phone, and then that's on there. In terms of controls, the media controls don't work with it. Just turn that down. Those are the only media controls that work. The volume button, but up and down doesn't. But it's literally exactly what I just need. I just turn that down. Sorry, I literally just needed the, you know, ability to actually stream via Bluetooth. Just obviously keeps the car modern, but by keeping it with the OEM look as well, which I didn't want to change realistically. But yeah, nice quick install. I did test out the microphone as well, and everybody can hear me, so that's perfectly fine. That's all I needed. So yeah, first ever modification. Didn't go exactly how I wanted it to go, but everything is working perfectly fine. So yeah, if you did enjoy that, I'll obviously leave the link in the description as to where you can get the actual adapter from. It's very cheap as well, only around £20 I believe, like after tax and everything. But yeah, please like, share, subscribe to the channel as well. Nearly at 2,000 subscribers, so yeah, really exciting. Got plenty of things coming for this car, along with the big boy over there, the F32. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. Maybe, I think the next video is either going to be the first drive of this E46. If not, it's going to be something on the F32. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.